In this video, we're going to be going over how to upload files to DeepSeek. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. On the main chat page of DeepSeek, we simply need to click the staple icon to the right of the chat box. We are able to upload a variety of different text files, including Word documents, PowerPoints, PDFs and much more. We can even upload images. I'm simply going to click the staple icon and upload the CV. Then I'm going to ask, please can you review my CV and provide some improvements. As you can see, it has gone ahead and read the CV that I uploaded and provided a list of improvements that could be implemented. Now I'm going to upload this image of a spreadsheet and ask, based on the information in this image of a spreadsheet, what is the difference in population between London and Tokyo? As you can see, it has now retrieved the data from the image that I uploaded and provided an answer to my question. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.